Hey, welcome to the Neversink Farm Tomato House, and I'm talking about spacing. I like to keep things well spaced for tomatoes. They like airflow. They don't like to touch one another. Um, Also, when you're lowering them, even with something as easy as a clipper hook, they'll grab onto each other and try to grab their tomatoes off. And I feel like the less tomatoes that are well kept is better than a lot of tomatoes not as well kept. And so I put them staggered on a 40-inch bed, 20 inches apart. These are 20, 20, 20. So these are 40, very spread out. Give them lots of room, lots of food and water all to themselves with space around them. And I feel that works really well.